How to fix Royal Bank of Scotland app won't let you log in. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Launch your settings. Click on the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Switch your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. And in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Update the app to its latest version. Launch your app store. Now search for the app Royal Bank of Scotland. With that app will appear. Now at the right corner of the app, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 3. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of general. Head over to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Then find the app Royal Bank of Scotland. After you find the app, open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply solution 4. That is, you'll need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now I can close this, launch your app store, search for the app Royal Bank of Scotland. After app appears, install it. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Royal Bank of Scotland app won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.